Hey guys, how's it going? So over the weekend there was a bunch of YouTube videos that came out and said, "Oh, Intel is such a strong buy at the moment." I made this video just to warn you guys that I don't think Intel's a strong buy right now. I think that you should wait a little bit longer, see how the stock acts, because it may bounce. But my feeling is that Intel will go down even lower than this. Again, that's just my personal feelings. And I just wanted to tell you guys to be careful because big money ultimately controls Intel stock at the end of the day. So, and right now I think big money wants to load as much retail invested up as much as possible before they take it down a level. Because I think Intel is going down a little bit lower. I think we're gonna see Intel down to around $45, or possibly even lower. But $45 seems like a solid support line. So I would wait. I would wait until Intel falls down to $45 because right now, if you look at from a charting perspective, Intel is a falling knife, and big money ultimately controls Intel at the end of the day. So I could be totally wrong on this, and Intel could bounce back to $55, $54, by the end of this week. Like I said, I could totally be wrong, but I don't think billions and billions of dollars is gonna flood back into Intel in a short amount of time, because every dollar that Intel moves up is approximately $4.25 billion. So if Intel goes up $1, that's $4.25 billion. If they go up $2, that's $8.5 billion. I don't think $8.5 billion, or if it goes up $5, that's like $20 billion. I don't think $20 billion is gonna flow back into Intel. In the short term, I think, Intel's probably going to float around here for a little bit. It might pop to like $52, but then it's probably going to pull back real fast. I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor. From a fundamental basis, Intel does look like a very attractive buy. But will big money come back and pump the stock up? I don't know. Not in the short term. I think in the short term, the stock's heading down lower, and I think that the stock is more of a trap, a value trap, than anything else. But I could be totally wrong, and Intel could be a solid buy right here. Not financial advice at the end of the day. I just want to tell you to be careful, because just remember that you don't control the market. YouTube doesn't control the market. Billionaires and rich people control the market. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day. All that money that Intel lost, all that market cap that Intel lost, is flowing right into TSM. Because why? Because Intel is actually debating about using TSM as a new production facility. So TSM is getting the big benefit right now. As down that day, TSM bounced, and then today TSM got another huge influx of money in again. The sell-off from Intel is flowing into TSM right now. I think AMD is also getting a little bit of that money, but AMD is a smaller spec stock, so I still be careful about AMD. I'm more bullish on AMD than I am on Intel. I think AMD in the short term will move higher. After earnings will might be a different story, but short term I think AMD is a stronger buy than Intel. Again, not financial advice at all. I could totally be wrong, and we will see what will happen ultimately at the end of the day. Nvidia, like I said, if Nvidia is $250 billion company, I think AMD deserves a little bit higher market cap, because AMD is going to be extremely competitive with Nvidia. and they are also gonna dominate Intel. So I think AMD deserves at least $100 billion market cap. That's just my opinion. Earnings could drop the stock at the end of the day, but short term, I'm very bullish on AMD. I think it's heading higher. That's just my opinion. We'll see if that happens. Tesla, I don't know about Tesla. If Tesla move up, that's good, because then that will bring up all the other EV players. NIO, I'll bring it up NIO for sure, but will NIO move up? It all depends on Tesla. Workhorse also all depends on Tesla. We'll see what happens. Shell had a massive bounce today, but I still be careful about this stock. We'll see where it goes, but it's probably going to be volatile. It's probably not going to go any lower than $17, so it could be an okay buy at these prices. Not financial advice at all. So Nikola has a huge bounce this morning. We'll see where that goes. Automotive is down 9 cents this morning. Not too much to say about that. Blink charging up 33 cents this morning. Blink, like I said, Blink will follow Tesla. If Tesla goes up, Blink will. And there's a lot of people who are bullish on Blink because they're like the gas station of the MJ market. Spartan Energy will probably just trade between $12 to $17 for a while. We'll see where that goes. Barrick's gold this morning is up massively, 5.57%. Why? Because gold has made a new highs. Gold right now is up 1.6%. The market seems kind of weak. Nasdaq is up nicely, but the stock market seems a little bit weak. Oil's a little bit down. But gold is very strong this morning, and I think Barrick's is just kind of catching up to the recent rallies in gold. I think Barrick's it will move up higher. I'm more bullish on Barrick's than I am on Intel right at the moment. So yeah, and I'm also very bullish on Virgin Galactic too. I think it's gonna move up higher. Beyond Meat, I'm a little bearish on, but it has gone down quite a bit. And maybe earnings are coming up. I think earnings could bounce the stock real hard here, but could totally be wrong. They haven't announced an official date for the Beyond Meat earnings yet. Very good food company this morning, down 4 cents. That sucks, but you know what? The lower it goes, the more of a buying opportunity becomes. ACB this morning up 22 cents. Yay, ACB up and away, but it's still falling knife at the moment, unless there's some kind of big catalyst news that will prop the stock up higher. Canopy Growth up this morning, 57 cents. So Canopy's propping the entire MJ market up this morning. Kron up 2.54%. Afria, woo! Afria, wow, big winner today, 5.28%, up 27 cents. Tilray this morning up 5 cents. Not too much to say about that. Tilray seems the weakest out of the bunch. CNC Nickel Corporation, what is it doing today? Oh, wow, up 38 cents. That is amazing. Talon Metal Corporation only up a penny this morning. Let's see what NEO is. NEO NLC, I believe it's called. That just reminds me of NEO. NEO up 4 cents this morning. Oh no, up 3 cents this morning. High Tide probably not really moving anywhere this morning. Oh, up half a penny this morning. Yay. Kira Leaf is up 41 cents this morning. Cresco Labs is up 17 cents this morning. Liberal Health Science is just trading sideways. Harvest Health is up 2 cents this morning. Green Thumb Industries is up 40 cents this morning. True Eve is up 34 cents this morning. We'll see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin has been on a rally. Woo! Bitcoin up over $10,334 this morning. And I bet you anything, high blockchain technology is up and away. 5.5 cents, 14.28%, trading on 17.22 million volume just right in the morning. Very, very solid morning for Hive. Let's look at some companies like Meat. Let's see, Meat. CS. Meat up 5 cents this morning while Very is tanking. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.